Welcome students. In this video we are diving into one of the most important concept in C programming, that is arrays. Whether you are just getting started or need a refresher, this video will walk you through everything you need to know about arrays in C programming. An array in C is a collection of values all of the same data type stored under a single name. Each element in array is accessed using an index. Let's start with the declaration of array. Declaration of array mean to tell the compiler name of the array. First tell the compiler type of the array, then name of the array, and then size of the array in square brackets. I am declaring a array named numbers to store 5 integer values. Int is the type of the array, number is name of the array, and 5 is the size of array, or you can say this array will store 5 elements. Array can also be initialized at the time of declaration. This is done by assigning the values in curly braces. As I am assigning the values, as the size of this array is 5, so I can store 5 values in this array. First value is 5, second is 10, third is 15, fourth is 20, and fifth value is 25. Notice that the number of elements in the initialization list matches the size of the array. Now let's talk about array elements. Each element of an array is assessed using its index starting from 0 and so on. So to assess the first element of the number array, you would write numbers in square brackets 0. If you want to assess the second number, you will type numbers and in square brackets type 1 and so on. For example, if I want to print the first element of an array, printf first element is, and then print here add format specifier %d, and assess the first element of the array. So type the name of the array and then the index of that elements in square brackets. I am assessing the first element of the array, and first element of array is 8 index 0. Indexing is in this manner. First element is 8 index 0. Second element is index 1. Third element is in 8 index 2. Fourth element is 8 index 3. And fifth element is 8 index 4. This is the indexing of array. So if I am assessing the first element, then give the index 0, it will print the first element. Similarly, you can print the second element of the array. Numbers, and you can give 1. You can see 0 is the index of first element, 1 is the index of second element, 2 is third, and up to so on. Now it will display the first and second element of the array. Let's run the program and see here, first element is 5, second element is 10, but it is displaying on the same line. At the end of the line, add the format specifier, sorry, backslash n special character for new line. Now run the program and see it displayed first element is 5, second element is 10. You can access any of the element using indexes, like I am going to access fourth element and see here it displayed first element is 5 and second element is 25, but here you have to change fifth element is 25. Now run the program and it will display the correct output. You can see it displayed first element is 5, fifth element is 25. In this way you can access elements from the array using indexes. First element is 8 index 0 and the second element is 8 index 1 and up to so on. A common task when working with arrays to loop through them and process each element. You can easily do this using a for loop. For example, if I remove this code and I want to print all the elements of array, so I will use a for loop for int I is equal to 0 as the indexing of array start from 0, so I am initializing the I variable to 0, then give the condition and I less than is equal to 5 as the number of I less than 5 as number of elements in array are 5, so it will iterate 5 times to assess the elements and then increment the I. And in the body of the for loop, printf element 8 index %d. At the each iteration, value of index will be changed as I. At each iteration, element 8 index d mean at the each iteration it will print 8 value of I in place of format specifier %d, and then add the value at that place that is also an integer value, so use the format specifier %d and then give the second argument that will be placed in the second format specifier %d, and that is the number, that is the value from numbers array at the index I. At the each iteration it will access the array and print the elements at specific index starting from 0 to 4. Let's run the program and you can see it displayed element 8 index 0 is 5, element 8 index 1 is 10, but it is displaying the output on the same line, so you can change the code. Here at the end of formatted string, add the new line character. Now run the program and see it displayed element 8 index 0 is 4. You can see element 8 index 0 is 5, element 8 index 1 is 10, element 8 index 2 is 15, 3 is 20 and 4 is 25. Here the for loop goes through each index of the array from 0 to 4 and prints each element. This is very useful technique when dealing with arrays. That's a basic introduction to array in C programming. You have learned how to declare, initialize and access arrays as well as how to loop through them. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also share with your programming fellows. If you have any question, ask below in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.